footage from the Lok Sabha shows shocking disruption caused by Congress women MPs on the 4th of February. Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju has released two videos now. One video captures the chaos inside the House where women MPs were seen holding banners and surrounding Prime Minister's seat. The unruly behavior forced cancellation of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's scheduled reply to the motion of thanks to President's address. The visuals show ministers pleading with folded hands as opposition MPs continued the protest. Among those identified were Jenny-Ben Thakur, Varsha Gaikwad, Jyotimani, R. Sudha, K. Kavya and Shobha Bachchav. This unprecedented and completely unparliamentary behavior disrupted the proceedings of the House, raising serious questions about sanctity and decorum of Parliament.
बड़ा सोच समझ करके एक दलित व्यक्ति को और कल उनको सभापति का मौका दिया, लेकिन कांग्रेस पार्टी के नेता राहुल गांधी के इशारे पर उनके जो एक दलित व्यक्ति हमारे 5 फरवरी 2026 को 11 के लिए जो सभापति के कुर्सी पर बैठे थे, उनके ऊपर कागज फाड़ करके फेंके गए। स्पीकर महोदय ने बड़ा सोच समझ करके एक दलित व्यक्ति को और कल उनको सभापति का मौका दिया, लेकिन कांग्रेस पार्टी के नेता राहुल गांधी के इशारे पर उनके जो एक दलित व्यक्ति हमारे 5 फरवरी 2026 को 11 के लिए जो सभापति के कुर्सी पर बैठे थे।
Let's look at these visuals. The video that has been shared by the Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju here on the big screen. You can see the women MPs. There's Jyotimani, Varsha Gaikwad, Miss Thakur and Shobha Bachchav there. Gherawing the Prime Minister's seat here in this area. You can see Prabha Mallikarjun Kharge, Mallikarjun, I beg your pardon, and other women MPs standing here. They were constantly being asked by leaders like Piyush Goyal, Ashwini Vaishnav and Giriraj Singh with folded hands asking them to go back. Sudha Ramakrishnan was there as well. Then you have Shobha Bachchav. Women MPs who came near the Prime Minister's chair. Varsha Gaikwad, S. Jyotimani. They were standing here with a banner in their hands. Sanjana Jata was part of that gathering as well. There was a banner that they were holding near the Prime Minister's chair, constantly being asked by the BJP MPs, including Piyush Goyal, Union Ministers Piyush Goyal, Ashwini Vaishnav with folded hands, Giriraj Singh asking them to go back to their seat, but they were adamant, and after which, remember, the House was adjourned. The Prime Minister was supposed to speak. The Speaker later clarified, he later said that he had some solid information of an unprecedented act being carried out, and keeping in mind the traditions, the dignity of the House and the safety of the Prime Minister, he decided to advise the Prime Minister to not come to the House that day, which is what happened. The Prime Minister didn't come. The House got adjourned. And then we saw the opposition MPs mocking the Speaker, mocking the Prime Minister as well, saying, was the Prime Minister scared of the women MPs? But it's not about the women MPs. It's about what was happening over there. Then there's another video. You can see the MPs moving towards the Treasury benches. Right there, the women MPs, along with others, holding a banner in their hand. This is another angle from the back. Here are women MPs who gather near the Prime Minister's chair and they start unfolding the banner in their hands. And constantly you see the MPs sitting here on this side, highlighting that this is wrong, that they need to go back to their seats. And at one point, they all start getting up with folded hands, requesting the women MPs to not do this, to not resort to this behavior and to go back to their seats. Unrelenting, adamant, the women MPs, of course, didn't budge. They stood there when the chaos, the ruckus was unfolding in the House. The decision was taken. The House, that Lok Sabha, will be adjourned. This was all just before the Prime Minister was about to enter the House. Kiran Rijiju highlighted the ideological differences between the BJP and the Congress, saying the opposition deliberately sent women MPs forward to confront, while BJP MPs chose to follow parliamentary protocols. He also detailed how BJP women MPs were restrained from any physical confrontation and filed a strong complaint against the unruly behavior of Congress MPs.
बीजेपी के जो महिला एमपीज थे वो बहुत गुस्से में आगे आ रहे थे, सबका अपने अपने जगह में मना कर दिया। हम लोगों ने सारा महिला सांसदों को कहा कि ये कांग्रेस का बिहेवियर ठीक नहीं है, मगर हम लोग संयम से काम करना चाहिए, फिजिकल नहीं करना है। आप कल्पना कीजिए अगर हमारा बीजेपी के जो महिला सांसदों को आगे बढ़ने देते तो क्या होता। हमारे तो संख्या भी बहुत ज़्यादा है। अगर वो कांग्रेस के 5-6 महिला सांसद जो प्रधानमंत्री का कुर्सी पार करके पीछे चले गए हमारे और, तो उसको कन्फ्रंट करने के लिए हमारे बीजेपी सांसदों ने डिमांड किया था, खास करके महिला सांसदों ने, कि इनको हम रोकेंगे फिजिकली।
Union Minister Giriraj Singh has spoken on the 4th February chaos in Lok Sabha, saying he repeatedly requested Congress women MPs with folded hands to return to their seats, but they refused. The minister added that it was fortunate that Prime Minister was not present in the House that day. In the recently released footage, Giriraj Singh can be seen folding his hands and urging the protesting MPs to step back, showing the attempts made to restore order amidst the disruption.
देखिए, जो उनका तेवर था, जो एटीट्यूड था, वो जो स्पीकर कह रहे हैं उससे मिलता जुलता था। हम हाथ जोड़ के कह रहे थे कि बहन जी आप लोग उतर जाओ, क्योंकि आज तक परिपाटी नहीं रहा कि ट्रेजरी बेंच पर आकर के इस ढंग का प्रधानमंत्री को कॉर्डन किया जाए। तो उस दिन बहुत अच्छा हुआ जो प्रधानमंत्री नहीं आए होते तो कुछ भी अनहोनी घटना घट सकती थी।
So Giriraj Singh says अनहोनी घटना घट सकती थी. We have Pragya who spoke to Giriraj Singh, and in the video as well, Giriraj Singh can be seen along with others with folded hands asking the women MPs to step back, but they were clearly unrelenting and adamant.
Swati, absolutely. We spoke to Giriraj Singh and we also spoke to Prahlad Joshi as well. And he said, I also went and I also pacified them. I tried to pacify Congress women MPs and told them to go back on their seat, but they were very aggressive. And it is then Giriraj Singh also came with folded hands. In fact, Ashwini Vaishnav could be also seen, suggesting all these Congress women MPs to go back to their seats, as this is not right to cross into treasury benches. And the kind of sloganeering that was there, Swati, I was in the media stand and I was witnessing that. It was quite an aggressive posturing right there. And in fact, Mr. Kiran Rijiju has rightly said, had they not told any of the BJP MPs not to, be in confrontational mode like opposition MPs were, there could have been very ugly scenes in the parliament. And it is after this that Speaker decided that he should speak to Prime Minister and ask him not to enter into, the Lok Sabha and not to speak on that particular day. He was supposed to give motion of thanks on the presidential address. These were some matter of concerns, and in fact, input was there with the speaker when he also spoke that in the House on record that there were some inputs of some untoward incident in the House, and the government believes, and all those MPs and ministers who were present, they believe that the Congress MPs women MPs were very aggressive. There was a proper plan. They stood, at Prime Minister's chair, around that. They cordoned off that. And in fact, gradually when they saw there was no one on that chair, they marched towards the treasury benches. And in fact, they crossed 2 to 3 lanes of the treasury benches. It is then that all the ministers stood to ensure that there is no confrontational scene, no physical violence in the House. Otherwise, there could have been very ugly scenes in the House, and this is exactly what they never want.
Pragya, stay on with us. Meanwhile, Congress MP Varsha Gaikwad, who was part of the February 4th Lok Sabha incident, has hit back at Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju. She called the allegations against the opposition MPs baseless and insisted that there was no attempt to assault anyone inside the House. Let's listen in.
नहीं, मैं तो यही सवाल पूछ रही हूँ ना कि उस दिन वो मौजूद नहीं थे क्या हाउस में? किरण रिजिजू जी मौजूद थे ना? उन्होंने देखा नहीं क्या? आप लोगों ने वीडियो डाले हमारे, तो क्या उन्होंने वीडियो नहीं देखे थे उस वक्त? तो क्या नए वीडियो डाले? मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा है। और किस तरह से हमें बेबुनियाद हमारे ऊपर आरोप लगाए जा रहे हैं। तो किसी को मारने गए थे, हम तो एक बैनर लेके गए थे, आप बैनर से डर गए, आप एक किताब लेने से डर गए, आपको टैरिफ के ऊपर बात नहीं करनी है, आपको चाइना की घुसखोरी के ऊपर बात नहीं करनी है, आपको वो जेफर्स को रिपोर्ट के ऊपर बात नहीं करनी अमेरिका की। क्या बर्ताव किया, आप बताओ क्या बर्ताव किया? कोई एक्शन किया हाथ से, कुछ वर्बली बोला है?
In this video, he has shown very clearly that the Prime Minister is not in the chair. It is the MPs are gone there, and Kiren Rijiju is there, Piyush Goyal is there, Prahlad Joshi is there, and Vaishnav is there. The MPs are talking to Mr. Vaishnav. If Mr. Modi would have come there, they would have come down to the well and they would have protested. This is the way we do protest. This has always been the methodology of protest. Therefore, what he wants to prove, the Parliamentary Affairs Minister, why he wants to prove Honorable Speaker wrong. Whatever the Honorable Speaker says, the Parliamentary Affairs Minister wants to prove that the Honorable Speaker is wrong. This is first time it is happening. We are very much pained that the leader of opposition is not allowed to speak by the Parliamentary Affairs Minister.